What's up, Tastebud guy? Here I'm at 4727 Vine Street in Cincinnati, Ohio. Of course, that's my home city, my hometown, born and raised. I'm here at Chicken Scratch, and I'm gonna try their fried chicken breast sandwiches and their grilled chicken sandwiches and French fries. So, come on, we're gonna go try. I'm gonna go try them. Alright, I'm a grub from Chicken Scratch. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Tastebud guy. Hey, what's up, Tastebud guys? I told you I'm going into Chicken Scratch to get chicken sandwiches. Right here we have the hot chicken sandwich. It's basically fried, the honey hot chicken sandwich, French fries. And then I have the grilled chicken sandwich with the French fries. I'm gonna try both of them. Again, they were $31. So, this better be good. Ooh, look at all that lettuce. Now, I'm getting the grilled chicken taste. I tell you, it's good. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. Of course, I got 2 thumbs up, alright, and bad. This right here, thumbs up. The chicken, the sauce. The chicken is actually tender too. It's not dry. Some of these places have some dry chicken, so they don't have any dry chicken here. Now this is the hot honey fried chicken with bacon. It's basically a club. Look at that bacon, it's just coming out of there. Okay. This right here, it has good bacon, but the chicken is a little dry. Oh, it's like that. But it's a little dry, and they can do a better job on their fried chicken. This right here, the grilled one, good. The fried one was alright. It was alright. French fries. You better off going to Kroger's. Pick up those, what do you call them? The Red Robin fries. They're actually at Walmart. You're better off going there to get those. Fries are very average. They just alright. You don't have to have them. But again, thank you for watching Tastebud Guy. Like, subscribe, check me out. Tell your friends about me, family about me. I need more subscribers. Alright. Peace.